Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to discuss to you how to add a cart image to your actual sales layout. And what I mean by that is we will log ourselves in. Sales mode. So this is what I'm referring about. You can put your own design in there, completely customized to however way you want to look at it. Obviously, if you've got any staff members who are a whiz on Photoshop, they can cook one of these up pretty quickly. So once they've done that, I can actually show you now how to actually put this into the system. So what we'll do, we'll exit the sales screen. We'll go to Settings and Administration, go to Software Settings, and then we'll go to Basic Store Settings, and then we'll go to Resources. Okay, so we'll click on Add, and this is my resource. This is the actual cart image. Generally speaking, the size of it is 370 by 212 pixels. So make sure obviously it's roughly that same size, just so it keeps the ratio correct. There we go, we'll add that in. We'll give it a name, so we'll call it cart. We'll accept that, and there you have it, it's now in there. So now we need to actually apply it now. So we go to the software settings. Quickest way to do it, we'll type in cart. And this is the actual setting we need. So sales, cart, background, picture resource. I've already typed in cart there, so type in however what you've called it in the resource. Press save, and then we'll nip over to our sales screen. Boom, and there you go. Got your own customized cart layout there for you, just to give yourself a bit more branding. And there you have it. Do hope that's been useful. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.